Hi everyone, this is Jose Prado with Man Survival, and I wanted to talk to you about what happened today with the downing of the U.S. drone over the Iranian airspace, even though the United States believes that it was in international airspace. But the point is that we are getting ready to go to war with Iran, and that's not a good thing because war is never a good thing. War is never the answer. But nevertheless, we will always have wars as long as humankind is in this planet. But the thing about it is that we saw last week with the attacks of the two Japanese vessels that the price of oil went up 5% and if we go to war and they shut down the Strait of Hormuz, which I believe it's like 80-90% of the oil that is imported comes from there through that strait that Iran controls. Then you know that's going to make the price of oil go way up. Not only for us, but around the world for other countries as well. If you remember when back in November when we were supposed to have the sanctions on Iran, where no one could buy from Iran, they threatened that they would do just that, and more than likely they will. But the thing about it is that that's not the only thing we have to worry about Iran. They have also said that they have terrorist cells here in the United States they could just activate if we went to war. And that is a legitimate threat because the FBI has actually confirmed that they do have terrorist cells here, and we know that they do. But the thing is that you have to prepare for those kinds of things. Do you have what you need in place if something like that happen? Can you protect your family? Can you protect yourself if you were out in the mall, in the street, wherever the case may be, at Walmart? Can you protect yourself? I have my book here, Purpose Secret Cash. I talk about how you can prepare and have things in place for that. Just go to the website mansurvival.com. You can order it from there. Click the link in there, or you can go directly to the book's website, which is www.preppersecretcash.com, and you can order it from there. The book is free. All you have to pay is shipping and handling, but and it will help you a lot on where to get started, what to look for, how you can prepare for things like this. So get what you need, get prepared, and be ready. Y'all have a good day.